In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom facial mist. I absolutely love facial mists because of the hydration they give. You can use them with your skincare as a toner, with your makeup routine as a primer water, and all throughout the day to freshen up your skin. And most of all, they're super easy to make. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is a bottle to put your mist in, so go ahead and grab your spray bottle of choice. Mine is a recycled room freshener glass bottle, so I have to clean it out. After washing it, I popped it in the oven for a few minutes to sanitize it. You can skip this if your bottle is plastic, but I suggest cleaning it out with alcohol first. Once it's cooled, we can begin. The first ingredient is water. Ideally, you want distilled water, but bottled or boiled is fine. I have mine in this mason jar that I'm going to be mixing everything in. So here I'm adding some vegetable glycerin from Now Foods. Glycerin is going to give your facial mist that smooth and silky texture and make it feel luxurious on the skin. I'm stirring this in really good with a cosmetic spatula. Next, I'm adding orange blossom water. Besides smelling absolutely amazing, it has some great benefits to the skin. It tones, soothes, reduces redness and irritation. Witch hazel is the next ingredient. Witch hazel is an amazing toner because it has anti-inflammatory properties and is proven to both heal and prevent acne and other blemishes. I'm adding 2 pumps of aloe vera gel because of its great antioxidant and antibacterial properties. It improves the appearance of the skin, leaving it soft and supple, and is known to prevent wrinkles. Now that you've got the base down, here comes the fun part, customizing your mist for your skin with essential oils. First, I'm taking rosehip essential oil. It's full of vitamins, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids known to correct dark spots, hydrate the skin while reducing scars and fine lines. Next is peppermint essential oil. This is a great choice for my combo and oily cistus and mistus because it helps to control the production of sebum, leaving a cooling sensation on the skin. Go ahead and give your mixture a good stir to help your ingredients gel together, then pour it out into your spray bottle. Enjoy some footage of me struggling to pour mine out into this itty bitty nozzle. This would have been so much easier if I had a funnel. Throw your bottle cap on and give it a good shake, and your DIY custom-made facial mist is ready to use. I took the liberty of making a second facial mist using the same ingredients, except this time using rose water as a mild astringent and a combination of lemongrass and lavender essential oils. Lemongrass is perfect for getting even and glowing skin, and lavender is an anti-inflammatory oil that treats acne and wrinkles, among other things, and well, it smells divine. When you're done, it's the same deal. Mix it up, shake it up, and spray away. Now, you can't forget to label. Here I'm using my classic DIY label technique, which is literally just sticking 2 pieces of tape together as a bootleg laminator. Then I'm taking a Sharpie marker to write down the names of the mist, and I list the ingredients just in case I want to make it again. I hope you guys liked that video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you lovely beautiful people in my next video. Bye!